Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to make a block called Ladies Aid Album, and we're going to make it 9 inches, and for that we're going to make a few flying geese first. We're going to make 2 with this blue fabric and 2 with my white, and they're all going to have this. So for this you'll need 8 of these that are 2-inch squares. This is my fabric B. That's all you need out of it. The white is my fabric A, and you'll actually need 6 rectangles that are 2 by 3.5, but we're only going to use 2 for these. And then out of C, which is my blue fabric here, you're going to need 2 inches by 3.5-inch rectangles. You'll need more fabric, but we're just going to start there. So we're going to do flying geese. We're going to do 2 together. You're going to do 2 of each. So we're just going to lay this here, line it up on the corner. And this is a simple folded corners ruler. I do like it. You can use any ruler you have, but I have this one, so I use this one. But any will line up. If you can use one like this. You just line it up corner to corner there. Well, if you line it up with your 1/4-inch line here on the corner, and then at that point too, you can cut off there, and it is the exact same thing. In fact, I'll just do it and show you. So you do that, but then if you line this one up, it is the exact same cut. So you can just do it. I only use this one because I have it. If you do not have it, you can still do these exactly the same way. Now we're doing 2 here, so I'm just going to fold this one over and do it also. So we can grab at the sewing machine from the sewing machine and sew both these at the same time. Whoops. See, you have the same piece there. Lay those to the side. Let's head over and we'll sew those. I do currently have the other white one on the machine. Straight down through. Goes wonky, it goes wonky. I'm not a perfectionist. I'm going to use this to get well, maybe these are from a different project I'm working on. I'm going to use it to get off my fabric instead of using an ender. However, my bobbin ran out, so let's go back over iron these open. Well, we'll cut them apart. We'll iron that open. So we're going to have 2 of both of those. You have to iron these open first or it will not work. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to lay it this way now and lay that right down on the corner. And again, I'll line up my ruler and cut that off. Same thing with this one. I don't usually make such small blocks, so not that 9 inches is small. I do have to change my bobbin. I'm going to do that. I'll probably just go ahead and sew these up and I'll be back to iron them open and we'll go to the next step. Alright. I did that. Let's iron them open. Now you'll have, again, 2 of each. We're going to move this out of the way. Move our rulers. And then I'm going to bring in the rest of the pieces. So there's our other rectangles from our white. And then out of both A and C, you're going to need 3.5-inch squares. 1 white and 4 of my blue, which is A is the white and C is the blue. Now we're going to lay this out. And we're going to do our white here. And our blue ones here. So this is our block. Now we're going to turn these rectangles into blocks. So we're just going to fold it over. I'm going to put one pin in it at the end. And I'm going to do that on all of them. And I want to sew it from this side, from the flying geese block, flying goose, I don't know what you call it. So I can go over the point there in the middle as best I can. Just gonna put one pin in the end, and I like to pin at the end because that's what moves on me the most. My hair is everywhere. All right, we're gonna sew those up and be right back. Well, not be right back, you're coming with me. Two more. Another one of these. Let's go back over. I guess I do need my ironing mat still. I don't know why I thought I wouldn't. Bigger space would be amazing. I'm going to iron these to the white, I know. Or to the solid rectangle. Yeah, that's white. Or whatever color you choose. You might not have white. To reduce the bulk. That one's not bad. Again, not bad, not bad. All right, let's lay them back out. Our blue goes left and right, and our white goes top and bottom. And now we're just going to sew our blocks, our blocks into rows. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. I'm going to grab from here and do it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to iron them to the solid square. So the top and bottom are going to go to the outside, and the middle is going to go to the inside, which is white, but again, whatever. Now let's lay them back out with our white solid square goes on the outside, or rectangle rather. There we go. Now we're going to fold this down. We're going to turn this into a quilt block. I'm going to pin it both the seams. And the beginning. And the end. And now, since I'm going over there, I'm going to fold this up and fold this one over. We'll spin it around. I'm going to pin it the exact same way. This will save me time because I can just spin it over there and sew both sides at the same time. And one in the beginning, or at the beginning. Now let's go sew it. Then we'll just cut it off, and I'll fold that part open and do the other side. Another one of these on there, and we're done. Okay, so this one I am going to iron to the top and bottom. Just preference. You could iron them open if you want, whatever you want to do. It's a little off there, but you can't even really tell. And it doesn't even really matter. So there it is. Again, it is called Ladies Aid Album. It is 9 inches. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you make it and love it, and I will see y'all next time. Have a great day.